I will give you like what are the overview of the what I have discussed in that training session. We have child selector is there. Okay, child selector. What is child selector? It's in the parent. By the parent, you have to select that child. Let's see example. Like parent element is parent child. Okay, I will see you that what example of that is Visual Studio. Okay, it's open now. Visual Studio. Okay, okay. So at first we have to open that folder like web dev folder. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's open now. We have created like a new file in that public folder. That one is like selector.html. Okay, guys, let's see selector.html. Okay, okay. At first, I'm zoom that one. So let's see. I have like in the deep tag is there. Okay. In the deep we have like paragraph tag is there. Okay. Paragraph. In the paragraph I have written like this is a new paragraph. Okay. It will be this defined like class selector. Sorry, it's child selector. Okay. Child selector. Okay. Let's see. In that we have like style. Okay. In the deep. Okay, child is, this is the parent element, this is the child element. Okay, guys, so in that we have e. Okay, I will designing that one. So like font family we give you like this one times new roman. Okay, next one is like background color. Okay, background color, it's like gray. I've changed from the color picker. Okay, let's see that one. Open with live server. So I will define another like we take. Let's see. This is the this is second paragraph. Okay, this second para. I'm opening still. Yeah, it's open now. Let's see. It's both are affected because we have selected like in the parent we want to designing like child. Okay, this is child selector. Okay, guys. Next one is like adjacent sibling selector. This one is adjacent sibling selector. Okay, example of that like H H1 plus P. Okay, let's see. That one we have to designing like this H1 is like header. In the header we have multiple paragraph. Okay, this para one. Okay, I've copied that one also. Let's see. Okay, it's para 2, it's para 3, para 3, it's para 4. Okay, para 4. So I want to affect the adjacent sibling selector. Okay, so as H1 I want to like P. Okay, in that I want to affect it like whatever I want, like designing the P tag by using like color, it's text color, it's blue or red. Okay, red. Next one I have designed like border top border top width 1 pixel. Okay, border top color, it's like blue. Okay, so next one is like uh, border top style, it's double. Okay, let's see. It's not affected. Why? Okay, we have like this border 2 pixel double border double. Okay, 1 pixel solid B. Let's see. We have it's affected now. Okay, so in that I have like double, we can use that double. Okay, so in that adjacent sibling tag, it's only affected the after the header tag, it's sibling of that fast tag, it will be affected. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I want to like add to that like all the p tag, we are using like a general selector. What is general selector? In that we are using that one. Okay, so let's see. Now it's affected all that. Okay, this is the general selector. Okay, so next one we have to go like attribute selector. Okay, guys, what is attribute selector? At first I'm defining like what is general selector. This general selector, general selector. Okay, its example is like H1. It's P. Okay, So what is the difference between adjacent sibling selector and general selector? You already see that one, because in that adjacent sibling selector, it will be affected only in the adjacent of that header or main part. Okay. So in the next general selector, it will be selected all that. Okay. So next one we have to discuss like what is like wait. Okay. So next one we have to discuss attribute selector. It's attribute selector. Okay. So next one is how can you define like attribute selector? Let's see. I hope you understand all that like child selector and adjacent sibling selector and gender selector. Okay, guys. Okay. Let's see. Next one is attribute selector. We have attribute selector. It's input. We have text. Okay. I have designing placeholder. And its candidate candidate name. Okay. So next one is like name of that. It's e name. It's c name. Candidate name. Okay. Its IDs I will given that like candidate candidate name. Okay. CAD name. Okay. Let's see. So in that I have what is attribute selector I will define. Okay. I want to input in that input. I want to select like type. It's like text. Okay. In that I have designing like border 1 pixel solid gray. It's gold. Okay. Let's see. It's now affected. Okay. What is the difference between, let's see. If I have like is another input tag I will define like input is password. It's password. Okay. In that we have like two input tag, but how can you select the particular one? You have to select by that attribute and its value selector. Okay. So I want to apply that one in that like password. It will be affected. Let's see. Password. Okay. Let's see. It's not affected, but it's affected. But I want to like affected both of you in the different manner. Let's see. It's input. Okay. It's type text. Okay. So in that I want to like apply that it's border. Okay. It's 5 pixel dotted. Dotted. It's let's see. One is color. We have to like choose is blue violet. Okay. Let's see. It's now affected. Okay. According to your convenience, you can designing like that. Okay. So this is attribute selector. Okay, guys. I hope you understand that one also. So next we move to the like what is dynamic selector we have there. We are there. Let's see. We have a dynamic selector. In that we have dynamic selector. Dynamic selector. Okay. So we have link. Other one is like hover. Okay, other we have active. Okay, so next one is other one we have focus. Next one is like visited, and we have animal. Okay, so next one we have visible. Okay, next one we have read only. Okay, so these are the dynamic selector. So what are the use of that? We have to discuss by like practical example. Let's see. Repeat. Okay, it's like a tag. It's anchor tag. Okay, anchor. We have like Amazon. Okay, Amazon. I want to link that Amazon website. Okay, so let's see. At first I will copy the URL of the Amazon. Amazon. Okay, guys. And paste in that. Okay, it's the URL of that Amazon. So I want to designing like when I have the link is active. I want to take a different color. When the link is visited, it will look like different color. And like uh, when the link is like so like different color or different effect. Okay, guys. So let's see. In the anchor tag, we have link. In the link, we're given like this color. Okay, in the color we have view. We have choose other color. Okay, so this is the link dynamic tag. We have like other tag is visited. Sorry, first active we have to discuss is active. Its color like first we have selected yellow. Okay, in that yellow we have to choose one. Okay, so next one is like visited. Okay, guys, it's visited. Okay, color we have red. Let's see, it's now visible in the red color. It's visible visited. It's showing visited. Let's see. Wait, it's open. Okay, okay, wait. I'll open that. At first is open in live server. Okay, it's not showing. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, let's see. I've zoomed that one first. Okay, we have using that BR tag. Is that BR tag? Okay, in that we have, let's see, it's like Amazon. Its color is like link color. It's link color. Okay, when I click that one, let's see, It's one color is there. When I click that one, it's active. Its color is blue. Sorry, yellow. I'll give you another one. Let's see. Uh, let's see that one. Not open. Okay, I'll give you one again. I've already clicked now. That's why it's not showing. It's home. Okay. Let's see. It's now showing in red color because we already clicked that one visited. Okay, so when I click that one, it's showing that like yellow color. Okay, I have doing another. Okay, let's see. It's not clickable. Why? It's href. Okay, okay, let's see. I will effect give the other effect also. It will be more like effective. This background color, it's gray, blue. Okay, green, sorry. It's background color also. Already like show that red color. When I click that link, it will be yellow color, but you may be not see that one. So I will see you like other one. Let's see. This background color, it's red. So this is red color. Now it's already visited. Okay, its color not changing. Okay, wait, I'll give you meta tag. You will understand better. It's already clickable, and that's why it's not showing, I think. In the list we have, okay, in that we have give that one. This home. Okay, then HIF. It's okay. So in the style tag we have to designing like mm, a link color red. Let's see. Open Slack server. Okay, it's showing this one color. When I click that one, it's red color. Okay, this link color. Okay, when I link visited, it's visited means when you click that one, it's visited, and when you click, it will be so means it's active, already active. When you like click that one, after it will be affected is visited. Okay, I hope you understand that one. Okay, do you understand, guys? Link tag like dynamic selector link tag. Okay, let's see another one like focus, digitate, and enable disable read only. We have to discuss. Okay, let's see. It's meta. Okay, we have like enable. At first, we have discussed enable text. What is enable? So in the input type type text, we already mentioned that. uh, in that it's text. Okay, in that I give the enable. It's showing like a background color. It's blue. Let's see. It's showing. Okay. Means still it's active. It's enable. To allow like input anything you can type on that. It's enable. When I disable that input tag, it's showing another color. Let's see how can you show that another color. Input type, it's text. In that I have to disable that one. Okay, let's see. It's background color aqua. Okay, so next one we have to mention in that it's disable. Let's see, its color is now changing. When I give the remove that one, it will be affected. Okay, or when I disable that one, you cannot write inside that input tag. Okay guys, have you seen that one? Okay, I hope you understand. Enable tag, disable tag, and next one is last of the dynamic tag we have, like uh, hover tag. Hover means over. Over, when you have your mouse will be go over of that any text and image, it will be show a different effect. So I will give you like image tag. Let's see, it's image tag. In that we have picture. We have different, these are there. In this I have mentioned this. Okay, so I want to, when the mouse my mouse will be over on that the image tag, it will be larger of the size of the height and width. I will give you like 200 and width I will give you like 200 pixel also. Okay guys, so in that I have image. In that we have over, it's when I mouse over on that, it will be bigger on size, means its height is like 400. Okay, and width is like 400 also. Okay guys, let's see. It's not affected. Okay, I will decrease the some size. I will give the pixel. It's better. Pixel, and in that we have pixel height, weight also pixel, 4 pixel, 400 pixel, sorry. It's not affected. Okay, each one will be affected. Let's see, it's 100 pixel. Okay, if you observe that one, it will be changed. Like I have decreased the some size of that. It's 200, 200 also. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, when I when I goes to the mouse over of that image, it will be increase the size and width. When I remove the mouse over of the image, it will be affected the default when I give that like height and width in the image, it will be so. But when I mouse will go over, it will be affected as for the we had mentioning in that hover, it will be affected. Okay guys, so you have to designing many more also, like uh, border border radius. Border radius, I'll give you like like 20 pixel. Okay, in the background color I will give you like RGB. Okay, RGB color. Red, green, blue. RGB. Okay, I will give you another color. It's like green. Okay, background color. I think it will be affected. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. When I mouse over on that, it will be like any, it will be border radius will be 20 pixel, and the background will not showing. But I will mention that. Wait, it's border 5 pixel solid. It's like green. Let's see. Have you observed that one? Okay, it will be affected now. So you can designing according to your convenience or according to your requirement. You have to design it. Okay. So next one we have to discuss like pseudo element selector. Okay, let's see that one. I hope you understand all the dynamic tech like link, visited, and active focus, enable, disable. Okay, so I will yeah, let's forget read only. Let's see that one also. Read only means in the input tag you have like when the readable tag you have to given like enable tag, it will be so like is the font color or font size you have to mention by that. Okay, I will not showing that one also. You have to try on that in your system or you, in your laptop you have to try. Okay, so next one I have to give you like a pseudo element selector. Next one we have pseudo element selector. Okay, in have we have like fast letter, we have fast line. Okay, we have before. Okay, next one we have after. Okay, these are the pseudo element selector. Let's see that one also. In the paragraph I will be shown that one. So at first I copy that one paragraph from that notepad or in any other source. Let's see this notepad. Copy that one. Press on that. Okay, so I will define you. Let's see, it's paragraph. Okay, paragraph. Letter. In the first letter I want to give like font size. There's like 5 em. Okay, next one is font size, font color. Okay, color it's like black or black, not black, it's green. Okay, it's color. This one is color, color. Okay, let's that one. It's now affected. So in that HTML I have described how can you designing like by the using the span, how can you doing that. In the CSS also you can do that by using that pseudo element selector is the first letter. Okay, So I want to designing like next one we have E. Okay guys, so let's see, this will be affected. Okay, it only will be affected in the first line. Okay, not will affected all the line, it will be affected only first line. Okay, if you start paragraph you can do that by using that span. Okay guys, so next one we have before and after tag. Let's see that one also. We have like paragraph in that I'm designing a list item. Let's see, that's the UL. Okay, in that UL we have li tag. Okay, in that li I have copied that one. Okay, in that we have home about contact. In that we have like what? It's a login. Okay, so I want to affected that like one of the before tag, before pseudo element tag and after a pseudo element tag. At first I will give you like li in that before we have like I want to in the before of that every li I want to show something like any content or any like special character. Okay, so I want to show in the star. Okay, let's see, it's like a ul I will define like ul. It's display text. Have you seen that one? I will remove that like list type. None. Okay, this will be like what are the you have to mention in that before tag. After means after that home you have to mention in that like let's see, after I want to add something after. Okay, in the after I will content. Okay, in that content I will be like mention something new. Okay, let's see, it's like tag. Okay, let's see. Okay, have you seen that one? Okay, this is the after and before pseudo element selector. Okay guys, have you understand that one? So next will be move like structure pseudo selector. I hope you understand that one also, like pseudo select element selector, the first letter, first line, and before and after. Okay, we are using like before on that like two column. Okay, next we go forward like as a structure pseudo classes. Okay, we have structure structure HPRU URL structural class selector. Okay, pseudo classes selector. Okay, so in that we have like the first child, we have last child. Okay, we have nth child. Okay, let's see. I want to affect it that first child in that UL. This is one is the first child. This one is the second. This one is fourth. This one third. This one is fourth. Okay. So I want to affect it something in that first child and second child. Okay. Let's see. In that UL we have LI. In that we have first child. Okay. In the first child I will be like designing something like color. It's U value. Okay. So in that I have mentioned the last child also. Last child like we have last child. Okay, in the last child we have like scholar yellow. Okay, let's see. It will be affected. Is the first child is the last child. Okay, I want to mention that nth child means I want to mention the third one, so you can use like nth child. Let's see. Let's say all like it's nth child. In the nth I will define like 3. Okay, you can mention like color, anything you can do that. Okay, it's brown. I will define something like a font family. It's cursive. Next one is I will define like font size. It's 2 em. Okay, so let's see. It will be affected. Okay guys, so by using that structural class pseudo selector we can do that as a first child, its last child and nth child. Okay guys, have you understand? Next one is universal selector. You already know that one is universal selector. Universal selector means it will be affected all the pages. Let's see that one also. I will given like this one. It's sorry for that. It's not okay. It's background color. I will be showing like azure. In that I have PK color from that. Let's see, it will be affected whatever you want by using like in that pages you want like only a font family, you want a font size, you want a border and padding, whatever you want you can do that by using the universal selector. Okay guys, have you understand that one? Let me in the chat box. I hope you understand. So we move forward like what is the linear gradient and what is the linear gradient and next one is radial gradient. Okay guys, so let's see. I will be affected like that one. This background color we have radial gradient, not in that. It's I think image is there. Background image we have like linear gradient. Okay, in that we have like red, blue, green. Let's see, it will be affected in that. Okay, so I want to it will be affected on that particular like left to right or right to left or anything. Okay, I will be show that one also. Let's see, it's top to bottom. It's not top bottom. Okay, let's see, not affected by. Okay, Okay, it's top to bottom. I will define like top to bottom to right. Let's see that one. It will be affected. Okay, according to your like designing. Let's bottom right. I'll give you like bottom left. Okay, let's see that one also. It's okay. So you can define like to right or to left. To right, it's to left. Okay, let's see. It's like I'm defining a left, top left. Okay, we have top right. Okay, let's see. I want to give you some like percentage of that. It will be affected 10%. Okay, it's affected only 10%. I'll give you like not affected. It's yeah. Okay, we have 10. Okay, guys, have you understand? Next one we have to go. What is like radial gradient? Okay, radial gradient. In that we have circle. Circle I will red. Next one is like blue. Okay, I will selected some new color from the color picker. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, have you understand that one? Defining like other like transparency color RGB you can use on that, and any other like hexadecimal color you can use on that. Okay, so next one we have to discuss what is the like we have like pixel other as there like absolute unit. What is the unit at the pixel, mm, cm, what is pc, pt, and px. And before on that we have to discuss what is like inheritance. We have inheritance. What is inheritance in css? Okay, inheritance. In that inheritance we have inherit. Next one is initial. Next one is onset. Okay, so next one we have wait, wait from that. Okay, next one we have pivot. EVERT. Okay, so what is inheritance? We have to discuss. Inheritance means it will be affect like as parent color, parent something parent property affected in the child means it's an inheritance. Maybe in that class 2 you have to discuss in biology. You know that like in a biology the inheritance is there. Okay, so in character inheritance, but in that like coding or any programming language we have like in that parent effect, parent property or parent value will be affected in the child and will be a inheritance. Okay, so at first what is inherit? Inherit means it adapts the parent effect. Whatever like effect in the parent it will be adapt means is a p tag is there, h1 tag is there, And h1, if h1 is the like parent tag, and you will give that like color of that is red. And in the h1 we have p tag, is the p of the p is the child tag. And when you give that p as color of that is like red color, it will be affected. Yeah, if you don't want to write the red color in that, you can define inherit, it will be affected. Like whatever you written in that coloring of the h1 tag, it will be affected the p also. Okay, it added the parent effect. Okay, next one we have like initial. Okay, it define the default style, means if you want like don't want to like inherit from the parent element, you can define initial. Means in the h1 this is the parent tag and the p is the like child tag. You don't want to inherit it from the color, so you can mention the initial. Okay guys, so unset is there. Unset means is it removes the effect. It will be out of the default. It is also same of the initial, means whatever you like written in that paragraph. Sorry, it's not paragraph. It's the parent tag. Okay, it's parent. It's parent. Whatever you affected on the h1 tag, it will not affected as the like p when you give the onset. And it will what is the affected in that like p tag, क्या भी जो भी आप लाइक affected करता है, is that like I will define like the h1 tag. Okay, the h1 tag is the parent tag and p is the like child tag. The is like h1 tag property will be carried out from the p tag, but don't want to like remove from that like h1 tag whatever you want, like a color effect and background effect of font size, font family, whatever you want. You can do that by using the like initial. Okay, sorry, onset is that. And revert is like it's not like supported from the all browser, like Chrome and Safari and other browser it's not supported, but some browser it's supported. So in that CSS we not report like revert like. Okay guys, I hope you understand all that like selector and all that like inheritance. So if any doubt is there, you can ask me chat box, as well as that unmute yourself, ask me. Okay. So tomorrow session we have to discuss what is the unit, and how many types of unit are there, and what are the measure of that, and what is the name of that and unit. Okay. So any doubt in that like in the inheritance, you if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the chat box. Guys, any doubt? Okay, other. What about other? Okay. Have you understand inheritance? All the inheritance like initial, like what is onset, what is reward, and any other. Do you understand all that inheritance? Okay. So I will give you like I hope you all are completed before like previous assignment. Okay, and you also maybe submitted in that classroom also, I think. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.